Hello mga kananay, it's me again, Nanay Jane, and in this video, I'll be teaching you how to use Ocam and Giazo for screenshot and for screen recording. So for your information, especially for the newbie teachers, our classes here at Native Camp are not recorded. So unlike other ESL company, so the admin can only track teachers who are already on standby. They can just monitor, but the exact or the whole class, it's not recorded. And already, classes here at Native Camp are also unpredictable and unexpected. Sometimes there are students who don't have stable internet connection. And then just like what happened to me, I received a 3-star rating from a student whose internet connection was not stable. So I tried to defend myself to the admin, and I sent proof, screenshots, and I also sent a video. And fortunately, they removed my 3-star rating because it wasn't my fault and because I have a proof. Because let's face it, Native Camp is a business. So for them, customer is always right, student is always right. And we are so defenseless if we will not have our proof, or if we will not have anything to show the admin that it wasn't our fault. Okay, so yeah, it is really important to download this. I'll be showing you how to download or how to use Ocam for screen recording, and Giazo for screenshot. Okay, so first let's begin with Ocam. And because it's clearer when I use my cell phone instead of using screen recorder in my computer, I'll be using my cell phone to show you how to use Ocam and Giazo. Okay, start with how to download Ocam. So in your browser, you just type Ocam. Oops. And this one, Ocam download OSoft. This is what I used. Okay, so there you go. You just click this one and then you're gonna download it. And once you have downloaded it and have installed it in your computer, how to use it, you just click, or you just open Ocam. And there you go. There. Every time I start my lesson or my class, I always open this Ocam and just click record. So there, it's recording already. What's good about this Ocam is I think there's no limit because um, unlike other screen recorder, there is a limit to the number of minutes that you can record. For Ocam, there's no limit. So for the whole class, you can record it. Okay, and then when the class is already done, I will just click stop, and there. So where can you find the files? It's over here. There. So as you can see, these are my recordings of the classes that I had. And since they have already gave me a rating, I'm planning to delete them already. So this is what we recorded. There. For the OCAM. It's not that convenient. So it's more convenient to use screenshot or Giazo because you can just easily send the link to the inquiry as a message to the admin. So I will be showing you how to use Giazo. So just like Ocam, you just search for Giazo, Giazo download, and this one, giazo.com. Okay, so just download it. Actually, I have it already. So how are you going to use it? Now, if you're gonna use it, like for example, this is my YouTube channel, and if you're gonna use or you're gonna have a screenshot, you just open this app. And then there, if you see this one, you can just simply capture. For example, let's capture this image. And then it will automatically be converted to a link. There you go. So this is the link. So if you want to send this link to the admin, just copy paste this one and then send it as a message kay admin, and so that they can easily see that. Now, how do I use Gyazo? Every time I go on standby for, especially for no, especially for book lesson, I always make sure that I have a screenshot of as an evidence that I was already standby 5 minutes or few minutes before my book class, because sometimes it happens that the system will reload or the system will have an error, or um, the admin will just send you a message that you did not go on standby, where in fact you were on standby. So as a proof, yeah, I always make sure that every time I go on standby, I have a screenshot of that one. So let's say this is the platform of Native Camp, and I am already on standby for my book lesson. What I usually do is I just click print screen here in the keyboard, and then you will automatically see this one, that icon for Gyazo. So what I usually do, if this is the video, I just click on this part, including the time. Don't forget the time. And then there, it will again automatically be converted to screenshot, or sorry, to a link of your screenshot. There, if ever that you need to dispute something, or yeah, the admin told you that you were not on standby, you have a proof. You need this screen recording or this screenshot again. Like what I said, classes and students here at Native Camp are unpredictable, and let's face it, Native Camp will always believe whatever the student says. So yeah, it's better, and it's better if you have something to defend yourself. And if you've noticed in their messages, they always say, however, if you have a proof of your class, you can send it to us and we can consider it. So this is the backup that we need. We need to provide them evidences, proofs that our lesson the class was conducted very well, or it was the fault of the student. They can remove the rating. So just like what happened to me, again, the student gave me a 3-star rating just because she wasn't able to enter my class. But fortunately, I was able to record the whole class using OCam. And I tried to submit that email or that video through email. But then again, it's more convenient if we will use the inquiry tab in our account or in the portal. So what I did was I sent this message to the admin. So it's very detailed. I use OCam here and Gyazo. So for the OCam, I recorded the whole class. And then when I played the video, I tried to use Gyazo to screenshot the class. So as you can see, I sent this message and as a screenshot of our recorded class. So I said there, I waited for her to enter the class, and this is the link that I sent. Let's try to open this. So there, it's 20 minutes, and then I have another message for she entered, but she took time selecting her textbook. And then the class ended and I waited for her to come back, but she didn't come. And then this is another screenshot of the class, and there. So so fortunately they removed my 3-star rating because of that class, because of the proofs, or because of the evidences that I sent to them. So Again, classes here are not recorded, so you should be responsible to have your own recording and have your own evidences if ever there is a need to submit proofs that you conducted your lessons well, and yeah, it's not your fault. Okay, so I hope after watching this video, download Ocam and Gyazo right away and use them as often as you can. Okay? It's better to be ready, and it's better to always have a backup. It's always be prepared. Okay? So till our next video, bye-bye.